Jared here from Tamar's Developments, bringing you through our Inglewood project. This house was built in 1952, which only makes it 67 years old. But because we are in Inglewood, we're in a heritage protected area, and it does make it a challenge with council and DA. Currently the home is structurally unsound, dated and dark, so we're creating open plan, functional and spacious living. There's going to be lots of glazing to the new extension, with the kitchen outlook in the garden, with this huge jacaranda which is also currently protected in this area. Watch our progress over the next 12 weeks while we give this old girl a new lease on life.